Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Bitget, then you can use the link that I have given you in the description in order to get more perks and benefits on Bitget. Now, once you have successfully logged in or created your account on Bitget, you are going to see this More tab on the home page. If you are not able to find it on the home page, then you will have to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner and then you need to tap on more services. Now once you are in more services, you are going to see the deposit option in the top, so you need to tap on deposit and after that you will have to select that particular crypto which you want to deposit. You can even use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you just have to select the particular crypto that you want to deposit, and after that you simply need to tap on it. Then you will have to select the network at which you want to deposit that particular crypto. After selecting it, you are going to see a QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the deposit address from Bitget and then you will have to launch any other exchange or wallet from which you are going to send your money into Bitget. Then you just have to use that address there and you simply need to confirm your withdrawal. Once done, you will be able to see that now you have successfully deposited money in your Bitget account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.